So how does the Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece, this being the cool ice model, because it's as slippery as wet ice, like an ice cube, sliding. How does it affect bends? Well, it really doesn't, because this is something that just makes articulation to new note hole positions easier and a more comfortable embouchure. And from that perspective, it's easier. And you do have a little bit richer tone on this instrument because the slider, of course, adds about 1/4 of an inch. And I wanted that so that the harp had a profile on play closer to a larger Suzuki. But bends, just your standard technique. Of course, the more comfortable embouchure makes things more comfortable. But the actual technique of bends doesn't really alter because it's totally airtight. There's no loss of air as you use this slider.